Are you singing? Hmm?
We don't know the same song from school.
Oh. Hi, little man.
At least I don't seem to see his legs go.
Catch up with him.
Oh no, get your reins, pull your reins up.
Are we going the right way?
Yes.
Go on then, walk him on before he decides to eat a bit more.
Oh no, she's video.
Oh no, she's not. Oh no, she's not.
Oh, yes, I am.
Oh no, she is.
Oh, yes, I am.
Here, Archie.
Oh, this grass is getting a bit long. I'm falling over.
Why are you filming us? Why?
We're going to send it into You've Been Praying.
Evidence. Oh, I'm going to fall over.
Oh, man,
There's a big hole. Woo!
She's gone down the ditch. We're allowed to trot down this path.
Hmm?
We're allowed to trot down this path.
You are, or are you?
We are. Aren't we, Nicole? Yeah.
Just watch out for the pheasants that's going to bed then. Oh my god, this is so bumpy.
that was a hip in.
Oh!
And another one.
Just stop at the end, okay? Let's catch up. If I make it.
Get your mother out the ditch.
Yeah, get me out the ditch. Stitch in the ditch. It's nice, Archie. Sorry, that's your ass. I mean, your bottom. Archie!
I'm doing nice, Mum. Message Paul, what do I say? Are you still videoing?
Yeah, I'd be careful.
What do I say about
You
that
say.
mother at school?
He said, she said. That's what you said. Oh my word. Right, I'm going to go before I fall over.